how to log cells in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very simple guide for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first thing you can understand is all the cells are already logged by default in Excel, but it only works after you have protected the sheet. So for that, what we can do is once we open up the sheet, press Ctrl+A on our keyboard and go ahead and go to the option or right click and select the option of format cells. After that, we just need to go over and here uncheck this option called locked. After that, click on OK and confirm it up and it will be unlocked. Now you can select the cells that you want to lock, for example, these cells right here. After that, what we can do is right click, select the option of format cells and just go and select this option of locked under protection tab and click on OK and confirm it up. If you want to protect the sheet, we can go to the review tab in the top and select the option of protect sheet, this one right here, and confirm it up. We can even set up a password here, so go ahead and set it up. After that, click on OK and confirm it up. And now only those selected cells are locked. And if you want to lock the entire sheet, you can go to the review section at the top and select the option called protect sheet. And again, set password and go ahead and click on OK and confirm it up. And again, if you want to unlock the sheet, you can go to the section of review and click on the option called unprotect sheet and enter up your password if set and confirm it up and it will unlock once again. And you can allow some actions while protecting. And that is it, everybody. You can follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.